Hey everyone, just on Calais Jerome again today, across the road from us, as you can see, Planet Benidorm going a sort of wintry verb. This side, Tiki City is shut for today, whether it's shut overnight as well, like, you never know. Just beyond the truck there, zooming a bit, we got Andy's simply the best. Doing pretty well for business today, looking quite busy. Then of course behind me the right Star Bar looking a teensy bit empty, guys. Yeah, rather unusual seeing that empty. Big Willie's joke shop there as well, great for all your fancy dress needs, birthday cards, balloons, practical jokes, anything you want, pop in and you sort it out. Further down from that is one of our new favourite Indians, which, I don't know what's happened to it. Like, is it still open? Is it shut? The Royal Palace Indian, I don't know what's going on there, because they have sort of got pallets in there. They've got like a cardboard box, some old ice cream freezer. If anyone knows what's going on, comment down below. Maybe.
Stuff sickness? I don't know.
I don't know. Of course, behind the big fence as well is the Hotel Marina swimming pool, and just overlooking that is the secret fountain, which there were rumours going round they were going to be doing a brand new sort of Curran's diner bar. What the hell? That's one way to do a YouTube video. Anyway, so there were rumours the secret fountain were going to be doing a Curran's, of course, a famous American themed diner in the UK where you go to basically get slagged off during your meal. Like, that's the only way I can describe it. I mean, the motto literally is great food, shit service. Like, that is literally the motto. Anyway, Secret Gardens were on about doing a Curran's or not. I mean, Secret Fountain were on about doing a Curran's on certain days, but yeah, I've heard now since, and at the moment they are shut. But I mean, if they are doing it, it'll be a brilliant idea. I mean, probably need to be in mostly English for all the Brits that will know it, but will be a great laugh. Of course, while I there has seen from a recent video I done, yesterday's video, today's video, oh god, I've confused myself. Anyway, 20 or 19 days until Christmas arrives. It is literally that quick, guys. Sort of comes down to when I upload this. So, yeah, probably 19 days. Chaplin's shut for holidays. What else to say? think. Weather's a lot nicer today as well, actually. Thank God. Remember, guys, as well, 250 likes on my Benidorm Christmas light switch on for me to go the whole day as the Grinch. Likes are the thumbs up, guys. I don't mean views, I mean likes. Let's get it done. Silver City Day looking a bit quiet. Yeah, I have noticed that recently over the past few days. Some bars are looking a bit quiet, whereas some bars are looking rather busy. Coming down onto the Mediterranean now, after the Mediterranean, do of course have a sort of another side route up to the Shamrock Bar. Live music every night with the Rovers from 9:30. Not nowadays though, I think they are shut for the season. I will just say that is something that most bars do sort of winter time. However, some bars will say open, so you can still get a pint, you can still find places to get food, etc. All your gift shops down here as well, guys, selling tons of different stuff. You can always seem to find what you're looking for in Benidorm, and if not, you just go to Sunday or Wednesday market. Now I have no idea where to go. I am literally just sort of making this sort of up as I go along. Solid crossover here, I think. This is kind of what happens when I run out of ideas for filming. Like, I tend to just wander around Benidorm, make stuff up. Sweetland just over the road there, still open. Do a lot of sort of American streets, Japanese streets, Chinese streets, that sort of stuff. Got a great shop. Also got the model car shop there. Looks pretty cool. All like the model cars there. Supras, Ford GT40s, stuff like that. And a new scooter shop. New scooter shop gone in there, guys. Sort of got to point in Benidorm now where you are literally probably going to be torn between places where to go for scooters. And of course finish off with Haagen-Dazs ice cream shop. Sadly not open today. Well, I don't think so anyhow. No, not open today. Anyway, guys, smash that like, smash subscribe. Don't forget 250 likes on my Benidorm Christmas lights switch on video for me to do a whole day dressed as a Grinch. Let's say if I don't get them before December the 20th of December, I will not be doing it. Like, it will just be forgot about, okay? Keep that in mind. See you soon.